Hello friends, welcome to Crochet for Beginners. Today I wanted to show you this plushie. Bumblebee is made separately. All parts of bumblebee, head part, body, these two wings and these two front wings. Rounds for eye, and then the lower portion, this portion is separate, and then this bee is attached to first all the parts of bee is attached, and then this bee is attached to this portion. But first you have to make these parts separately, then join them together, then make this part separately, and then join the bee to this part. But this part is not simple. It has upper square, okay, lower portion is like this, underbelly portion, and this belly portion hides the blanket, okay. And if you take the blanket out, I'll show you. This is the blanket. So the size of the blanket can be small or big. So this is for newborn baby. So this is 3-in-1 plushie: toy, pillow and blanket. And if you are not needing it, fold it like this and push it inside the pillow. Like this, and here it is. Hope you like it, and this is perfect project for lockdown days. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and give me a big like. Thank you.